And we should be live. Just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so just got to get the stream up here and the Discord link. Just give me 1 second, guys. All right. So, let's see here. Give me 1 second. Let me just post the stream link in Discord. Oh, I didn't even think I saved that. Hopefully I did. I don't know. 1 second. Okay, I don't know why I didn't change that. 1 second, guys. Okay, it should change. Breath talking? What? Can you guys hear me too? I turned up my mic, so I don't know if it's loud enough. Changes saved. I don't know if this is changing. It's kind of stupid. All right, whatever. Anyways, so I'm going to show you guys what I've worked on. Welcome everyone to the stream, by the way. Forgot to say that. But let's see here. What do we have? Okay, so I'll show you what I've been working on because it's been a couple days. How to make Fall Guys in Unreal Engine. Kind of explained it in my video, but not really like in depth. All right, let's see here. Want to play. Selected a viewport. Okay, so this is what I got so far. Oh, not selected viewport. So I got the menu, right? And I'll drag these in here. So let me refresh my dashboard here. Okay, so I set up basically this basic menu, right? Got, your basic buttons. Mainly just gonna click online here. You got host, public, private. Okay, so what you can go ahead and do is click host. And right now, everything is still really basic. One map for now. You can always add more later. Got number of imposters, so you can choose 1, 2, 3, whatever. Chat English. So max players, you can set obviously 10 people, 8 people, however many you want. And server name, I can say test server name. Confirm. Okay, so it's gonna put me on the ship here, or in the lobby. So basically we're just in the lobby right now. Very simple block out for now, until obviously I get everything else finished. Then I'll replace it all with actual assets. So if you open up another tab of the game, go to online, public. It's going to look for the servers. It takes a second. And you see here test server name 1 out of 10. I can click on it. And you see my player join here. Okay, so the colors right now on the characters, having a bit of trouble replicating the colors. But for now, I'll have to work on that. So I'm going to work on tonight, fixing the colors. And we can also go public and public. See, there's 2 on there. Click join. So our player's going to join here too. Yeah, like I said, the color's all messed up. Oh, I think I actually deleted the color system or whatever, because I need to rework that entire system. Okay, so right now we're all just purple. And there's not really any gameplay. I set up this simple blend space. You can also jump. That's pretty much it. The guy who made the model, wasn't me by the way, I didn't make this model. He made all the animations and stuff. So we also have like a vent animation too. I'll show you guys that. Character. Yeah. So this is a vent. And then vent back. So when he pops out of the vent. Yeah, so that's what we've been working on. I can work on the ship map here. Okay. Which, should I work on that now? Pretty much. So if I go here and pull up a little handy picture of the ship, or a map. Oh, and I was also thinking of creating like some custom tasks. You know, not like doing all the tasks that they have, but like come up with some of my own. A third-person shooter for Android. I think it's pretty much just the same, right? Literally just make it like a normal game you'd make and port it over to Android or whatever. Or not port it over, but package it and all that stuff. Okay, so here's our map. And I don't also know why. Oh, okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. So let's go ahead and work on this map. All right. Move this a little bit over so I got a little bit more room. But for the most part right now, I'm just gonna block everything out. So we can probably start out with the center being probably the cafeteria area. Let's go here and get our BSP. Geometry. Set this to 0, 0. Oh yeah, let me get some music. Let me just turn this down a little bit, so. Okay. So we'll drag our character in here and use it for scale. Yeah, it's scaled properly. Let me get another map open. Okay, this map right here. Make it bigger. Excuse me. Yeah, it's probably going to be bigger, obviously, because it's in 3D. So. Okay. So. The cafeteria, right? Oh, and my world settings, I need to set the game mode real quick. Default pawn is going to be third person character. Be good for now, we don't really. What's up, Nightmare? How to make a mini map? Yeah, I'm gonna have to look into that myself. Let's see here. Alright, hopefully you guys can see that a little bit better. Okay, so we got the cafeteria here. Let's get a table here. Out. Okay, we'll zero this out because this will be the center. What's up? Mini maps are easy to render targets. Okay, so the emergency meeting table needs to fit like 10 people, right? Thanks for all the good content. Yeah, no problem. Let's see. Probably a little bit smaller than that. Alright, I'm gonna say this is probably good scale for launch options, play, active play mode, we'll set 1 offline. And we want to make sure we play in new editor window. Okay, so we got a little table here. Maybe it ought to be a little bit larger. Okay, because a big red button is gonna go right here. Yeah, we need 10 people sitting there, so. Probably about that big. For Android, I don't know, maybe. Don't have an Android device, so. Okay, let's make this even. Yeah, we'll make it. Well, I mean, we'll make it like, you know. I mean, it's gonna be like Among Us horror, but I don't know. Okay, so that's probably a good scale for now. Do that. Okay, so that's probably good for cafeteria scale. Yeah, Unity is good for 2D Android game. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get ourselves a box here. Center that out. It's gonna be our hallway. Go ahead and move one of these over. You know what's kind of annoying? The fact that this is kind of hold on, let me rotate this entire thing because that's kind of annoying. Let's see here. Last one needs to be the centerpiece. So select everything and then that, and then we can rotate it -90. Okay, that way this is facing forward, right? Or at least in our perspective. Is the music good? The volume level? I upped my mic volume too, so. Can I show you? Can you show how to make a server? What do you mean? Dedicated server? Okay, so duplicate that. Duplicate that so we can zero out this. Rotate it 9 degrees, pull it down. Okay. Carnival, I've already made like a tutorial on how to make a dedicated server, so just check out my channel. Let's see, we'll branch out. Scale this up. Yo, any way I can overlay an image? Editor main window background override. Is that what I'm looking for? I don't know. Yeah, I mean, you can scale the BSP, it doesn't really matter. Like, really doesn't matter if it's stretching or anything. Like, it's just BSP, you're gonna delete it anyways. A plane plus your, yeah, dude, texture as material, that would work as overlay. Here, let me just go right here. Let's see here. Downloads. Oh wait, no, this is not. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. Okay. Go ahead and get a basic cube. Create a material. Save that. Doesn't have to be fancy. Okay, cube. We got a good thing going. Why we gotta feel simplified. Stay to the morning. Count as I was spending by your side. You look at me, I'm soaring. Seeing all the truth behind your eyes. See you. For a moment, even hope that I can feel you. See you. All that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. See you. For a moment, even hope that I can feel you. See you. All that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you. Free to play? Yeah, it is gonna be free to play. Okay, that's probably good, right? You know, obviously it's not gonna be spot on. Doesn't have to be spot on. Yeah, transparent. Translucent. Opacity. Oh yeah, I'm doing this on my other time. Yeah, working on another clone, yeah. Is that see a Candic I don't know how to say it, Canis Helix something? I don't know. Oh crap. 0.5. Yeah, that'll be good. Yeah. Honestly, I need Canis Helix's help right now. Top. There we go, dude. Set in the brush. I'll scale up the cube a little bit more. Got a lot of Discord to catch up on, yeah. Yeah, you got to name it, dude. The Kiwi Kingdom actually came up with the name. And did you see the main menu that I made? Maybe not simulate. So this is what I made so far, and I already showed like whoever was here earlier, but okay. Hold on. Okay, so we got local, online, host, public, private, just placeholders for now. And this one I tilted because I wanted it to be different than the other two, by the way, but now it just looks like it's a typo or something, you know? Anyways, host. Create a session. Yep, that's beyond silence, boys. Yeah. Still gotta work on it, but yeah, it's coming along pretty good. Honestly, like, all I really need to figure out, like, this map stuff is obviously, like, easy. But, like, the, gotta figure out how to assign IDs to the players so I can just keep track of players from the lobby to this map. And yeah, basically working on all the replicated variables, player names, all that stuff. So if I can scale this appropriately, that'd be nice. Alright, so need to work on this brush, bring this up. Pull that in a little bit. And like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah, hopefully now I don't have to whisper. Yeah, I mean, it's still kind of late, dude, so. It's gonna be late. And I have my mic turned up too, so I don't have to yell. Oh God. Yeah, we create as a team. It's actually, like, some of the tasks, there's actually so many tasks. And, but actually, when you think about it, they're actually just like the same tasks, honestly. Just like this, I think I counted out, it's like 17 or 18 tasks. Like, well, there's more than that, obviously, but like different tasks, you know. And I'm gonna have to figure out the UI for that. And all I remember is I don't really understand drag and drop operations, so gonna have to figure that out. All I remember is the pain to do drag and drop, you know. And yeah, it's not really hard to create. Like, at its bare bones, it's pretty simple concept, you know. But some of the tasks and stuff, like, you gotta make all the UI and all that stuff. Let's check this, make sure we're not messing stuff up. It's pretty good for now. Are you listing off your specs? You can see my specs in the description. Yo, what's up, Rubber Duck? The man, the myth, the legend has returned, dude. I'm going to show you the animation blueprint I made. It's looking good. Yeah, Rubber Ducky made the character model. Dude, why does that hallway look so wide right there? I should probably change my grid snapping size, but like I said, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, dude, the Anim BP. I had some issues trying to create some props. Nice. Dude, make the big red button, and then well, I guess you don't really have to animate the big red button. Just make the button separate from the case. In the glass case, that way I can add or just rotate it, so when they press it, it rotates and all that stuff, all that fun stuff. You don't have to make a bunch of props too, dude. Even your laptop can run Unreal. Yeah. Yeah, I got your zip of the game asset. It's like the UI and stuff, but I might like redo it just to not use, you know, their stuff. So I kind of redid the menu and all that stuff, so. And I mean, I'm not gonna like all the tasks, there's like 16 to like 18 total tasks, like unique tasks. So shouldn't be that hard to create the UI for that, for all 16 of those. And I'm probably gonna add like my own ones. Like, okay, so one of the ideas that I have, for the tasks is maybe, oh yeah, maybe I'll like change the map up a little bit, but I don't know. Everyone might be against that, but like I'll have like a bathroom, and one of the tasks is to unclog the toilet. Like imagine that, you just like in the chat, you're like, dude, I was in the bathroom. Yeah, so I'll make some fun tasks or some BS or something like that. What if like you like to do level design? Dude, you should have saw the level design for Fall Guys. Yeah. But imagine though in the bathroom, like what if in the bathroom you could like flush the body down the toilet, but like there's like some random number generator that determine if the body like actually flushed or got stuck in the toilet. Like, wouldn't that be funny? Like sometimes it'd flush down and sometimes it gets stuck. So It'd just be like a random chance of that happening. A feature where you can pick the body up? I don't think so. We won't go like that far because I don't want to sway too far away from the original gameplay. Like, we'll add blame others. Yeah, I have that idea. Whoever suggested that, they change your color for like 10 seconds. Call it like the chameleon or something. But I want to figure out how to like balance that, like make that I'll probably make that like a special ability or something. So like how it works is you can choose your special ability at the very beginning of the game when you're the imposter and say I want to use the chameleon ability like the entire game, because there's like, I don't know, five different special abilities, and you can only choose one of them. In addition, obviously, to like all your sabotage and stuff. So you get like one of these special abilities you can choose from, and one of them will be the chameleon, where you can change your color for 10 seconds. And obviously, the crew members are not going to know which ability you chose. So as long as you play your cards right and you don't reveal to them that you have the chameleon ability, then you can change your color pretty much the entire game and have people think they, you know, someone else killed them or whatever. Yeah, it'd be an interesting feature. I don't know, we'll test it out, see how good it is. Second box brush, the first one. Don't know how this one. Oh, I think I just need to move it up. Yeah, my stream thumbnail. Yeah, dude, I just placed those guys around. I worked on that a little bit. So it'd be funny. This looks funny. This is a stream thumbnail right here. Blue kind of sus. Taking class in school on Unreal Engine. Nice. Yeah, I started back in high school learning Unreal Engine. There was no classes obviously back then, but like I had an independent studies hour in computer class. So basically I could choose like whatever I want to study for an hour. And back then, like Unreal Engine 4 literally just came out, well, a couple months ago. And so I was like, hey, I want to learn Unreal. And the teacher was like, yeah, blah, blah. Like, yeah, we'll get this. But at the time, you know, it costs like $30. Or it didn't cost $30, it costs like $20 a month for Unreal subscription to use Unreal Engine. So he was like, yeah, blah, blah, I gotta get it approved, all that stuff. I mean, he got it installed and stuff, and I was using my own personal account for a time. And eventually, you know, Unreal Engine, they announced that it'd be free, like literally a month later. And so he's like, yeah, dude, it's free now. So got it installed on like all the computers, and basically I was like the only one in high school messing around. Let's see which. There we are. But yeah, back then I wasn't really good at the engine. Like, I can show you guys some of my old work if you want. Like, it was honestly terrible. What's up, everyone? Okay, so let's go ahead and check things out. So we're getting the layout. It's gonna be so weird playing it though, and like, oh yeah, by the way, I think I'm just gonna make it, what do you guys think, third person? Hold on. Drop the sub, nice. Thanks for the sub. Okay, so we're here in the cafeteria. Emergency button. Might need to scale everything up a little bit. Okay, so down here, go over here to admin room. Go down to storage. Down here we got communications. Shields. Move up. And obviously I might work on the like walk speed. Yeah. Yeah, go third person. Yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have it third person because it just feels more like the original game. First person, you wouldn't be able to see your character and it'd just be kind of weird. Yeah, if you can't see anything in front behind you, yeah, exactly. And I need to work on the camera length right here because it's not super far. But anyways, so where are we at? Oh yeah, O2. Weapons. And of course I might scale everything up, so. In the cafeteria. Yeah, first person would just be kind of, I don't know, weird. What's this little cube? Security. Cafe props, pizza button. Or pizza. Oh. Button, cup, lever, handle, plates. Yeah, make the camera shoot your hand. Well, yeah, ideally I'd like to, you know, make all this stuff, but depending on how difficult it is to be implemented versus, you know, all the easier stuff done first. Oh. For my first stream, yeah. My first stream was kind of rough because I was pretty tired already. Like, I think I'd played a bunch of Among Us games. And I was like, feeling kind of bad that I didn't make a video or something. Like, I didn't make a video for today because I don't know. I just gotta work more on like my tutorials. Like, I need to focus on making them more organized and not just like a last second sort of thing. I was trying to make a tutorial on how I made the Fall Guys server queue system, but I just like had like 1,000 errors when I tried to write the MySQL code or whatever. So I needed to be obviously more organized when making the video before trying to record it and everything, because I don't want you guys having to go back and fix like an error. Oh, so I was playing Among Us the other day, and like I just went through like a bunch of games queuing with people, and I finally found this one game. Like after the game, you know how like after the game ends, like the server is like at the bottom or something, and like no one joins it. So it's like you might as well just requeue, or not requeue, but find a server with like 8 people, 7 people, or whatever. So like I was playing a bunch of games, finally found this server with like a group of people, just like random people that were really chill, and like we played like 30 games together. It was so much fun. But like at the end of the game, we all didn't want to leave, and instead of adding each other on Discord, we just like left, which is kind of sad, you know, because then we could have just like queued a bunch of games later. But yeah, for whatever reason. See, are you going to do the random team logic? What do you mean? Assigning players randomly? Yeah. What do you mean? Like, everything's obviously gonna be assigned randomly. Like, the imposter and all that stuff. Yeah. Would you assign it through Boolean? No, you just do like for each loop, like when you spawn the players, on the game mode, you want to do this on the server, and basically, the rules would be, you know, however much. We'll make it simple for now, just like one imposter. There are 9 crewmates, so for each loop you're gonna have get one of the people out of your players array and set a variable in them and making the imposter is true. So I guess, yeah, you'd use a boolean there, and then the rest of them they'd be defaulted non-imposters, so they'd be a crew. Do it on stream? Yeah, maybe. I mean, you just get an array of the players, right? Make an array of the players. So you can do this in the game mode off of the event handle new player. So every time you do a server travel from like one map to the other, it's going to call this event on handled new player or whatever. Basically, what it means is like when a player joins, not joins a game, but like loads that map onto that map with everyone else. When a player joins a game, you're going to use event on post login in the game mode, and do all. It's like event begin play, but called every time a player joins. You just take their controller, player controller, and add it to array. Wonder how big this game would be. Multiple station levels, dude. That would be crazy. I didn't even think about that. Dude, that would be insane. Imagine like more than 10 people. I don't want to say like 60 people, you know, that's a ton, but like imagine like 20 people or something. Yeah, multiple levels. Like a Boeing 7, was it 380, whatever. How do you know so much about UE4? I watch tutorials and I Google. Pretty much. And doing the stream also helps me because where did I learn Unreal Engine from? Just totally from other people, dude. Like forums, well, not really forums actually. Take that back. Well, like when I Google and it like takes me to a forum post, you know, I'll read that. Documentations, you know. YouTube, yeah, is really good. People have lots of good tutorials out there. Yeah, sometimes though, when you search on YouTube, you can't find like a specific tutorial for something, so you just have to like search on Google. Have I shipped any games? No. Okay, so what we need to do now is work on this stuff. Go to perspective top. Take one of these boxes, probably the first one. Or I guess it doesn't really matter. Hold on. Need to assign these to a group. Chip in my brain, yeah, pretty much. Yeah, dude, I mean, I mainly learned like literally everything. Well, not everything. Like, that's not true. Mostly everything off of like tutorials and stuff on YouTube. And like the DAS stuff, I also watch tutorials on that, but I didn't like only use tutorials. Like what I also did, hold on. What? Oh, it's doing it. What I also did was I experimented a lot. Unreal Slackers, yeah. Yeah, so for the DAS stuff, I just made a Google document basically, and just went through and looked for how to like. I basically created like a pipeline from DAS to Unreal, and like worked all the details like textures, normal maps, how to get all that stuff. I like wrote like my own Google Doc about it, and just like sat down like a week or two, just went and like figured that out every day till I had like a really good pipeline down. And then I was like, huh, maybe I should make like a YouTube channel and show people how I did it. And that's how my YouTube channel was created. What's up, Edward? My rotation is B. Barely touching, man. There you go. Would you consider making voice chat, push to talk, and ragdoll physics based character tutorials? Yeah. When I figure it out myself, dude. I saw this really good like an article or whatever, like written up tutorial on how to do voice chat, and I don't even think you like needed any plugin or anything like that. It's like pretty much all built in, I think. But I don't know, I didn't really read through it, so I just kind of skimmed through it. Set the rotation back. Physics-based characters. Yeah. Do they work in multiplayer? Alternatives for game trailer music. Free alternatives? Not sure, man. I mean, you can definitely buy some for a decent price, probably. Yeah, so all I'm doing right now is dragging these BSP brushes, and they're set here to subtract, so I can really easily just work on this level and get like the general shape of everything, so I know how it will feel. Because really, most important thing is you want to figure out how the game is going to play. Most important thing. Yeah, I say this though, and it's like I'm not a professional, you know what I mean? I'm sure it is. Obviously, gameplay is probably one of the most important things, if not the most important. Joking about the brain stuff? Yeah, obviously, dude. You know, it's dude, is it October? Yeah, like literally Thursday. You know what that means, guys? You know what they call October in Unreal Engine? Blocktober, dude. What I'm doing right now. Hold on. Upper engine weapons are 2 levels. I guess you're right, like, yeah, there's piping underneath. Yeah, so the catwalks here, what Rubber Ducky's saying is that, you can see here, we're gonna add these little catwalks in. That'll actually look really good. Yeah, Blocktober. Honestly, it's pretty fun, like, blocking stuff out, so. Because, like, don't really need assets to block things out. You just need good old BSP brushes. Will I leave some of the assets for download? It'd probably be up to Rubber Ducky, dude. How can anyone see here? Oh, someone commented on my Fall Guys video. How can anyone speed hack from the moment the game was like published? I think someone said that it was latency or something. It's probably what happened. Gotta sync. Yeah, depending how things turn out, I might, and I probably will, but I don't know yet, use some of the space. There's like this kit bash, not like actual like from kit bash official, but there's like some random like space kit or something, spaceship kit, that has some like modular pieces I can use if I want to, depending on how it'll look out or turn out. I don't know why I said. We'll see. That's not right. Oof. Okay, that's probably good. Just gotta adjust some of the hallways. Why is that so long? Shrink the whole way down. There we go. Yeah, so like you said, these are gonna be 3D, or not 3D, obviously 3D. 2 levels. Here, let me just... Okay. Okay, so we have the cafeteria. I need to add some walls so we can really understand what it'd feel like 3D. But yeah. So, yeah, everything's lined up. That's good. So we're at the main table right here. Might have to move these ones over a little bit. We got the emergency meeting. Go over here to med bay. Down here. Med scan. I'm gonna run over here to upper. Is this lower engine or upper engine? Upper engine. Okay, and then over here we got security. You got the wires over here. We got the reactor. I press the button right here. Then over here we have lower engine, so we can go around like this, and then around like that, and then around like this. Then down here we'll go over to the electrical. Then go around this little part. Fix that. And over here we'll go down, back over here, down to the storage. And you guys probably get the gist. Okay, so we can go ahead and start blocking stuff out. Like, we should add all the objects that the players shouldn't, or should collide with. So like the engine, obviously. Like the storage boxes, that big wall section, electrical, just all the stuff that people walk around, as well as the walls. That way we can really understand. or get a feeling on how well it'll play, and we can adjust scaling from there. Let's see here, are there any blueprints in UE4 that make it possible multiplayer system without using a dedicated server of those $200 plugins? Dude, you can literally make multiplayer without, for like $0. You don't need to purchase a plugin. But implement the ghosting crewmates when they die. Yeah, so all you gotta do is, or at least how I'm probably gonna do it, is when they get killed, it's going to spawn. Let's see here, where do I have it? This dead character, right? So I'll spawn this little dead character, spawn actor from class right there, and then it's going to probably spawn another separate character, maybe, I don't know, or it'll just use the third person character, and I'll have a variable in there that's like is dead or not, and basically if they're dead, then yeah, turn off the collision with other pawns, and with probably everything else, set the gravity to 0 so they can fly around, maybe, I don't know, and make him only visible to ghosts, and also give them like put a material on their character that's translucent or whatever. Make a separate collision for force so don't go through the wall as well. Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's smart. I mean, for now, yeah. Peer. Yeah, I'm using listening servers. Did I show you guys? I already set it up. So if I go here, I'll show you guys again. Main menu. I'm gonna do 3, play offline. Okay, so I got the menu. I can go to local, host, choose imposters. Right now that doesn't do anything. I can choose max players, obviously, so I'll set 8. Test server. Yeah, the new Earth marketplace asset. That's what I'm planning on doing. Okay, so we're in the lobby. Go to local, public. It's gonna load the server. It's gonna take like a couple seconds. Click on it. Boom, we're in the game. On. Local, public. So yeah, this is the listen server, by the way. So that way anyone can host their game, and I don't have to do that on what's it called? Don't have to host a server. People can just do it themselves. Yeah, and that's just using the Unreal, the advanced sessions. It's pretty simple. It's see, I think all my code is give it a sec here. Content, UMG, it's all in the main menu. Right here. That's pretty much it. Just a bunch of buttons. Okay, so I have main menu. Let's see here. Server browser. This is server browser. Host game. Hold on. So these are all the buttons, all that stuff. Okay, so if you go in the graph here, I have all the buttons here set up, so just all the visibilities to hide everything. So when you click, a thing, it's gonna hide that menu and show the next thing. Then here's the sessions thing. So when you click on find a public game, gonna make the server browser visible, all that stuff, and you're gonna find sessions, advanced. Gotta make sure you obviously have the advanced sessions. Yeah, buy a multiplayer starter kit. Yeah. Find advanced sessions, max results, all that stuff. And then for each loop of the advanced session that you find, you're gonna create a widget and add a child to the server browser. And the server browser is just a scroll box. So I created a widget here that can add server entry. So this is a little custom widget. Has like the server name, number of imposters, and number of players. So basically it just populates the server browser, a scroll box with all that stuff. And I showed you guys how to make it in my server browser tutorial. Very simple. Then host game, basically create an advanced session. I was having a lot of trouble with this because I forgot how to do all this, but how it takes it to learn either Unity or Unreal, being self-taught. I don't know. Like I've been using Unreal since 2014, but I haven't been using it consistently, Yeah, I'm using advanced sessions. Advanced sessions, advanced Steam sessions. Except I'm not really using the Steam like stuff, so. Yeah, I mean, I could use the Steam stuff, but it's just like, more stuff I gotta research into. It's kind of a hassle. It's not really like more stuff, it's just like, I don't know. Yeah, they're free to use. You can find them on just do Google search for them, and it's gonna take you to the forums and to free download. Third person or three? It's gonna be third person. I was thinking about making it first person, but it's just not gonna be. It's gonna be really weird. Third person or first person is gonna feel like third person's the closest to top down, so it's gonna feel more natural. Epic Games will continue updating UE4 when they release UE5. Don't think so. Maybe. But, don't really think so, I mean, Unreal Engine, they said that they're gonna allow you to take, basically, I think 4.25. Any 4.25 project or above that, you can just convert it to Unreal Engine 5 project, so. UE5 is a UE4 update? Yeah, pretty much. Exactly. UE5 is literally UE4, but with the 5. Like, let's be honest. What, you mean the 4.25.6? Or wait, no. Holy shit. 4.26. 4.26 preview one. UE5 is basically more upgraded UE4. Yeah, exactly. It's literally like you gotta understand. No, 4.26 isn't. The preview is out, so it's like it doesn't have the water system yet, but it has like chaos built in. So if you guys don't wanna have a source build for that, you guys can mess around with chaos. Here, I'll show you guys. Yeah, 4.26 preview one. I have a chaos project. It's not really, yeah, it's not really 4.26, yeah, because it doesn't have the water stuff, but I mean, it has like, they say chaos, they have chaos physics, by the way, but they say it's production ready, so I don't know how well that is. Like, so it should, I mean, it's like compiled, so you don't need like a source build to run chaos anymore. You can actually use it right there, but I don't know how buggy it is still. Check Discord. All right. Nah, I don't need the button rig, just separate meshes, so I can make it into a blueprint. Yeah, separate messages. The only thing about the cover for it, you know, like the plastic cover that flips open, just put the pivot point or whatever, the origin for that, at the actual like hinge part, if that makes sense. So it rotates at that angle or whatever. .26 release is a month or two. No, probably more than that, like 3 months. Because they said preview 2 is going to be out. It is about like 1 or 2 months away. So, and the preview 2 is going to have the water too. I was going to make a video about this today, by the way, but I don't know. Didn't feel like it. Yeah, dude, once 4.26 is out, dude, it's gonna be actually so good. I can just think about it. We're gonna have our own water shader. If you guys, oh yeah, you guys probably haven't watched the video. Exactly. This is why I should have made the video about the preview, because there was actually a live stream that happened, and they showed off the water in a live stream. So did I already code the logic part for selecting the imposters? No, I haven't done any game mode or anything like that. Yeah, I might get to that tonight, but I don't know. 4.2, 4.3. Yeah. Yeah, so the only like game mode stuff I was working on was the assignment of colors. So like when they join the game and it assigns a random color, which needs to be replicated, and I was just having some issues with that, so I have have to use rep notify, and I don't really understand how it works yet, so. Some thick walls, dude. Part of server client enemies handled to prevent cheats, yeah. Switch has authority. Do everything important on the server. Attach a point to the light of the character. How I'm gonna do the vision. So how that's gonna work is I don't want to do lights because I don't want the spaceship to be like hella dark, you know. So what I'm probably gonna do is like put a collision box around a player, and if the player's in a certain radius, it's gonna show that character to them, right? So it'll be like dark in the ship, kind of, and maybe I'll do like a little bit of light, but it's not gonna be like pitch black, you know what I mean? But it's just gonna make it so that like, I don't know, hopefully that makes sense. Like, it's gonna have a light, but it's not gonna be super dark. But the vision, like actually seeing the players, is going to be determined by like a spear around the player and visibility. So like make this player visible if they're in this range. Fog of darkness. It's going to be like environment lighting. So the ship is going to be lit like very dim, but the player is going to have a light on them. So kind of like what that guy was saying. I deserve more subs. Yeah, man. Yeah, watch your videos, but usually don't comment in chat. Just learning a lot from the channel. Keep it up. Yeah. Thanks. Where's our subtract? Right here. And that one. You make it all in BP, yeah. Let's see here. Post process, yeah. Post process, yeah. I don't really play too much around with post process because I'm a noob, so you'll have to walk me through that, but yes, post process is a good idea. What's up? I guess I can just do it like this. Let's see, what's the scale on this? Yeah. Just paste it like this. Oh wait, no, it's location scale. And the Y. Boom. Okay, now we'll take our little minus brush and rotate it. Is it possible to do like a darkness or distance from character BP? Use the top view. Top down. Alright, this is what it's gonna look like, boys. How do you client? Yeah, I know C++. I only know Blueprint. So in the admin room, gotta run to the emergency meeting. Yeah, it's feeling pretty good so far. I mean, like the scale's pretty good. I might like up the speed a little bit, but for the most part, it's like feels pretty good. Wonder if you can peek around a corner, but actually no, you wouldn't. The way the lighting or the way the view thing works, I guess you'd be kind of be able to peek around the corner, but I don't know. Where'd you get the models to the players? Your boy, Rubber Ducky made them in the chat. Yeah. He made all the models and animated them. All I did was make the anim BP. Where's our minus button right here? Minus button, I don't know why I call it that. Publish X game, probably not. I'm gonna make it available for you guys to download probably, but publish it, I don't know if I do that, you know. Free download, boys. Free game, boys. Easy. Copyright if you publish, right? I mean, kinda, dude. Yeah, free game, boys. It's actually so useful just making one main wall and then using the subtraction boxes. Yeah, heck for waiting for the game. Just wait for me to. Yeah, I mean, once this is finished, like, you can literally just host your own game. Oh, I guess I need to extend that. Excited to try it out. Yeah, it'll be something different. Well, it'll be obviously pretty similar, but it will be, I don't know. The hell? Hold on, delete that. We'll scale this down like this. It'll be like pretty close to the original, but it'll have like its own twist, you know. There's Rubber Ducky. Yeah, Among Us free and 3D, boys. VR, boys, how about that? VR Among Us, dude. Maybe that'll be like a future video or something. But I don't have a VR set, so. I'm supposedly buying one, right? What does that mean? I ordered the the Facebook one, you know, the Oculus one, Oculus Quest 2, the one that you have to log into Facebook to use, kind of. C++ used for in UE4. Basically, I've never used really C++ before, but from my understanding, you're going to be able to do a lot more things than Blueprint. Well, not really. I take that back. You're going to be mainly like everything is pretty much like exposed to Blueprint. So like you can pretty much do anything in Blueprint. But the benefits, okay, one thing is like there's no C++ versus like Blueprint, like one or the other. It's like both of them are supposed to be used, you know. There's no like you can only use this, you can only use C++ or you can only use Blueprint. Like you can like utilize both of them. In fact, that's how it's meant to be. You should use, well, you don't have to, but I mean, you just use them together, hand in hand. Because UMG, for example, like user interface, you're not gonna use C++ to do that, right? You're not gonna sit there and like write every line of code with that. I don't even know if you can, probably. You're gonna do it in Blueprint because it takes like 10 seconds. But for like inventory maybe, or like, I don't know, not inventory, but I mean probably inventory. Like multiplayer stuff, some multiplayer stuff. Like if you're making an MMO, dude, you're gonna need to use C++. Probably, most likely. I don't know. Never made an MMO before, so. C++, you can make your own thing, yeah. C++ for 450 IQ. Not really. I mean, like if you used Blueprint before, it's like kind of the same thing. I mean, there's like variables and stuff, and if you actually look in the source code, yeah, it's hard. Really hard. If you see left on for, yeah, this is what happens if you don't practice and use it every day. You're gonna forget stuff. That's why I like doing these streams, because I can Among Us and Roblox. Yeah, but it's probably like scuffed, you know? What was I saying? Oh yeah, C++. Yeah, I forgot. I don't know. For console work before, it's hard to learn C++ for you for. I don't know, dude. Core? Yeah, I've heard of Core. Good old Core, dude. Haven't ever used it, but I've heard of it. If I'm gonna put the download, I don't know, dude. What do you mean, like the download to the actual game or to the project? Because Core's new Roblox. Yeah. But is Core taken off yet? Download to a project, I don't know, because I might be using some assets from the marketplace and also Rubber Ducky's stuff, so I don't know if he's gonna be okay with that, and obviously I won't be able to include some of the marketplace stuff in there if I were to put it for download. That's why it's always best for me to just create all the models from scratch, you know? But obviously that's pretty much a lot of work. Like I made all the models scratch for the Fall Guys game. And that took me a bit of work. Even though it was like really simple models. Like I'll be honest, I didn't even use like actual models for some of the, well, they were like models, you know, they were like the basic cube. Yeah, but I mean, the Fall Guys models were actually really easy to make. It wasn't anything too hard, obviously. Oh, and do I earn money from YouTube? Yes. I make about $130 a month off of ads. So and it's that's like because my videos, I haven't had like a good video in a while, so like for example some of my popular videos have like 70k views, you know, 50k views. I haven't had one of those. Like, those videos are pretty much all maxed out, so gotta make another one, you know. Well, I mean, by like another one, I gotta make a video that good. It's like a tutorial that everyone wants to watch. Tutorial that everyone needs. How long have we been streaming? An hour and 47 minutes. I'm gonna take my time, boys. How come you get so many subs? I don't know. Two hours? It's like 1 hour 46. But it's only 10:40, so I'd probably go to like 1, 2 maybe. 2 if I really want to push it, but gotta go to work in the morning, so you know how that is. Storage and cap props done. Gonna do admin room, then texture. Nice. Let's see here. Yeah, dude. Dude, whenever I get an ad on my video, I play it out, boys. I set my phone down, and I go do something else, and I let the ad play out. I used to have YouTube Premium. $17 a month. Well, it's like $15 a month, $15.99 or something. But you know, with tax, it's like 17 or something a month. I had it because, like, I don't know, didn't have ads on my phone, you know, even though you can get like ad block or whatever. But I don't know. Then I can watch my own videos and get YouTube Premium watch time. You know what I mean? So. I don't know, it's honestly not that bad of like a way to support like the people you watch, because if you think about it, like, you're removing ads, you don't have to watch ads on YouTube videos, and you can still like support the people you watch. I need to get premium again on my phone. Well, and also syncs to your account too, so. Well, I have like, well, do I have ad block? I don't think I do have ad block. Oh yeah, I do have ad block. But for a while it wasn't working on YouTube, so I just like ended up buying a YouTube Premium because it was like just broken or something on my computer. What's this, brackies? Let's see. Continue like you do brackies if you know them to 2 million sub. Next one for UE4. Yeah, dude, there's not anyone that has 1 million subs that does like UE4. Like, for some reason, there's not really a lot of people who do UE4. Yeah, a lot of Unity devs, but no UE4 devs. Yeah. I mean, I don't think I'm going anywhere. been uploading like every week since like whenever I started back in March, May I think. I created a channel in March, but didn't post videos till like May. Blocking them is assuming content is a huge amount. Yeah. Ad blocking, yeah. Unity UE4. UE4 all the way, boys. Y'all already know. Yeah, I don't know why people use Unity. Like, not to like, well, kind of to shit on them, but like, you know what I mean? Like, dude, why do people use Unity? Like, literally, there's, okay, this is what Unreal has. So we have, yeah, a huge community. Yeah, but for Unity, you know, you have to use what, C# or whatever. But dude, Epic, they have so many free like assets, dude. Like they have mega scans. Like no one knows, like no, I'm like, dude, I don't know. There's like not a lot of people using mega scans for some reason. This guy's freaking about beans. I don't know what to talk about. Unity has free assets. You can also get paid ones and free on a lot of websites. Yeah. Dude, the beans guy, I'm gonna time him out. He needs to calm down. Unity, big community, yeah. Side scrollers, yeah. Well, obviously, yeah, Unity 2D all the way. Free assets, but I mean, dude, yeah. I'm sure it has like its fair share of free assets, but dude, you gotta think about Unreal too. How many like free assets that they have. Like how many free monthly assets plus all this permanently free stuff plus, I mean, you can like use all that others, basically literally any other 3D model, and you can use it in Unreal Engine just like Unity and Megascans. Yeah. Make your own game unique. I've thought of that argument, and it's really not. It really shouldn't be like an argument. Like if you're gonna be using Megascans, you don't want to use it because you want your game to be unique. Like you can like customize the actual Megascan asset. So it can be like unique. So you can like stylize, you know, obviously you can edit the model and stylize it, add a different texture to it. You can, yeah, like edit the model and do whatever you want in Blender. And really, dude, no one's gonna like notice if there's a rock asset that's the same and from one game to the other, you know what I mean? Like no one's gonna notice if one rock asset is the same as another. And if you're really good with like environment art, you can use like one rock, really. Like all you need is one rock, you know what I mean? Or like 3. And like you got yourself anything, really. Is it meant to be realistic? Did I miss that? Have you ever done mobile game option? What do you mean? I haven't really messed around with mobile games at all. Hold on, let me use this and this. That way that's lined up. Okay, let's see here. A lot of people joining in, so I'm going to show everyone what we've made so far. Okay, so like I said before, the colors on here, I had to rework the system. Well, I have to redo the system where it spawns a random color because I need it to replicate too. Do you have a Discord? Yeah, it's in the description. Just found your channel a few days ago. Welcome. So how far is your progress and what are you doing now? So basically, I'm working on the level. So far we have the main menu set up and the server browser, or the server functionality, so you can like create a server and join other people's servers. So this is what it's gonna look like. We're gonna have third person, right? Right now we're in the hallway going to the upper engine. Get my map up here. Okay, so we're in upper engine. Going down here, we got the reactor. Still haven't worked on that. What do you use for networking? Any plugins? Nope. Well, actually, I use advanced sessions. And if I'm doing database stuff, but I'm not doing it in this one. VA-REST plugin. Okay, so this is the security room, right? Gonna have the monitors right there. And oh yeah, rubber ducky, dude, you don't have to like create a bunch of stuff because like I have a bunch of assets that I can use too in my library of a million things. Okay, so where are we? Okay, so we'll go down to lower engine. So I still need to put like something right here for now. Windows 10. I have professional version. Okay, so we're gonna go down this hallway down to the electrical. So this is electrical right now. Still need some work, obviously. Then we got the storage. So boxes right here. Walk around, do your little wiring. Got the admin room. What happened here, boys? Yeah, it's pretty much what we got. I think the rooms are fine size, still block out anyway, so it's gonna need improvements for later on. Yeah, it's a good starting point, definitely. I just need to get, you know, all the stuff set up, like the collision boxes for the little tasks and all that stuff. Create your own models. At Rubber Ducky is creating some of the models. I'm also gonna use probably some assets that I have, like I find it. Sci-fi kit bash. I might like stylize them to match what we're doing. I don't know yet. So I have this in my library, right? All these assets right here I can use. Got it like one of the free months or whatever. How many assets I have? Oh yeah, were you guys like freaking out about my library? Hold on. Yeah, so it's not a lot, guys. Come on, it's not a lot. UE4 tutorials and game remakes. Can't wait to see the view and Among Us 3D. The Among Us 3D though will be like permanently playable, because the only thing about the Fall Guys one is that I had to host a server on Amazon, and also some of the stuff, like the way I set it up, is that you need to set up a database for the game to communicate with, and I'd have to make a tutorial showing you guys how to do that if you were gonna set up that. Yeah, I'm not the first one. There's people out there creating stuff. Dude, look at this though. Look at this, check this out. So one of the months we had science laboratory, right? So this thing actually comes with so many assets. Like, you guys would be like, look at all this stuff, dude. All of this stuff, boys. Learning how to block out a level. Yeah, I'll make a video about it too, since next month is Blocktober. But yeah, look at this engine, boys. Look. All right. Got the catwalks, all that stuff. Dude, like everything. It's got everything we need. It was like July, I think. I don't know. I made videos on it. Like, if you go to my videos, or go to my, here, I'll do it right now. Right here, right? Yeah, right here. Free assets. Oh, right here, June 2020. It was, yeah, June. I swear, one of these, yeah, I feel bad for everyone that, like, I don't know, like, just learns about Unreal Engine and, like, all the free assets. You didn't get it in June? What do you mean you didn't get it in June, man? Is it free? It was free, dude. You gotta pick it up when it's free. During the back in whatever, June. Your English? I don't know, your English is pretty good, dude, so. Play games more, yeah. How do you need help developing the game? I don't know. Oh, what I need help is figure out, rep notify for me, also how to do drag and drop operation for UMG. Thumbnail was removed. Oof, hold on. What's going on here? Oh, it's for my other channel. That's funny. I thought this channel was good. Pack, not free asset. Assets vehicle. Is there a way to get those assets in the vehicle factory? Wait, what do you mean? Let's see here. I mean, on games, learning English, per gamer. It's only blueprints, all blueprint. Let's see here. What did that person say? Is there a way to use the assets in the vehicle factory? Yeah, so you migrate it over. You create the project, right? And you just right click on any asset in the project. Like this character, and click, right click and click asset actions, migrate. Okay. Go to your Unreal projects, there, content, and click select folder, and I'll migrate it. I think like the part that I'm most excited about is like replacing all this with models. It's gonna be so much fun because I have like so much crap, dude, that I have like barely use. I never use really, let's be honest. Don't recommend starting with Unity. I don't know. You can start with whatever you want really, but yeah, Unity is just different. Unity's got its pros and its cons. Unreal's got its pros and its cons, you know. It's like everything else. Let's see. Yeah, your library is 18 gigs, nice. Yeah, dude, I upgraded my storage on my. Alright, boys, no need to have the Unity versus Unreal war, okay? Calm down, boys, in the chat. Clean install of Unreal in Windows 10, yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, so what I did is I reinstalled Windows 10 because I got a new hard drive. Clean install, clean everything. That way I can get organized. Oh, and I got a 1 terabyte, actually no, 2 terabytes M.2 and a 2 terabyte just Samsung SSD, so like 4 terabytes of SSD, which is pretty unnecessary, but I usually like having a bunch of storage because I download a bunch of projects all the time. Like every month I'll download the monthly content and stuff and review that, so, which I mean I could store on like a hard drive, you know, no big deal, but usually I'll just delete it after I'm done. How much space on SSD are you using? Let's see here. this PC. So I got 1.5 terabytes. Most of this stuff is just videos. Like recordings that I need to delete off my hard drive. I need to download packs. Then I have this one. It's also SSD. And then I have my hard drive. Oh yeah, source builds, dude. Pretty big too. I got source builds on here somewhere. Source builds. We'll see how big that is. Yeah, cache files, dude, are massive. Okay, let's see here. How big is it? 85 gigs. That's just one build though. I'm low on storage. Yeah, dude. I had I don't know, like 100 gigs left, 70 gigs left before I upgraded everything. And yeah. So I was like, and I had like a 1 terabyte M.2. So I was like, it's not enough. I mean, obviously just go ahead and get yourself a hard drive. But instead of SSD, but 180 gigs. I don't know if that's with Chaos or not. Depends on what stuff you have, like, I don't know, enabled, maybe? I don't know. Never knew I could make a 30 megabyte Android game in U4. 14 gigs is plugins. 80 gigs. Yeah, dude, I don't know what you're talking. I don't know. Wait, did I just finish it? Oh, no. Thought I finished it, boys. Thought I was done. Because I'm reading the chat. I have 517 gigs. 2 terabyte hard drive or hybrid drives. Yeah, the thing about the hybrid drives is I used to get these hybrid drives and they've like failed like every time, dude. It failed me every single time. So I ended up just buying SSDs. I was like, drop a couple $100 on that. It's worth the investment. Opting out stuff. The setup not bad, maybe. Cell launcher, triangle next to the launch button. Opt out thing we don't need. Yeah, my landscape tutorials, I'm pretty good. I need to make some more though. It's been a while, and I haven't forgotten everything, but let's just say it's just been a while. Let's just say that.
Push me down to the ground. What goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out.
The heck?
You can't get to me. Say what you want to say. Go take it all away. But I'm here to stay. No, you can't get to me. And there is no
UE4 won't be 100 gigs. Yeah, I doubt it, dude. Unless you're like adding a bunch of plugins and stuff, you know. Usually they're good with their launcher versions of Unreal. It's pretty small. But then, once you start adding more stuff to it, like plugins, all that stuff. Components, I don't know. Blueprint tutorials? I kinda did. I mean, all my tutorials are in Blueprint. Purchase 12 terabytes? Yeah, dude. That'd be the best. You have good storage discipline, that's good. Dude, I'm terrible at storage. Slow speed and ruins hard drive. No. Yeah, SSD all the way, boys. SSD all the way. If I could suggest, like, a few things, I'd say, well, obviously you guys gotta have, like, you know, a good graphics card and good CPU, all that crap. But yeah, SSD is definitely important. Oh, and RAM. RAM too. Lots of RAM. Like more, like 32 minimum, dude. I don't have 32, but I would if I could. Yeah, dude, RAM for like, I don't know, when you're compiling your shaders or building or whatever. Really when you're doing like anything, you're gonna need it. Like when I was using World Machine and building maps, dude, it took me like, God, dude. Took me like a 12 hours, up to 24 hours to build a map. Eventually I would just like do it on like someone, like a, what's it called? Virtual machine or something. It's too much of your own electricity, you know? Run your PC building stuff. Well, especially like World Machine stuff. RAM is less about the quantity and more about the quality. Aha. Four gigs of RAM, dude. Dude, you gotta have. Oh yeah. It's Canis Helix, dude. He knows what he's talking about, alright. Mechanics is the actual professional here, dude. If I were ever to start like a what's it called, like a podcast or something for like game development news or something, dude, I'd have Candix, I think that's how you say his name, because he knows what he's talking about, dude. I kind of know what I'm talking about. Tech geek, yeah. There. Let's grab this thing. Banning Unreal, Apple, yeah. The Apple drama. Yeah, so, well, I mean, they can't ban Unreal developers anymore. Like, the courts, like, upheld, or said they couldn't do that, so they stopped doing that. They did do it for, like, I don't know, however long. Yeah, hopefully, I mean, I'm with Epic, yeah. I think everyone's with Epic, honestly, like, it's kind of weird though, you know, like, that Fortnite trailer that they made for like the thing or whatever, it's like, isn't that kind of weird? It was just like, I don't know. Am I a student? Yeah, I work, and kind of a student, I guess. I don't know. I mean, I take like online classes and stuff, you know, and I work full time, so. How to download your Fall Guys game. We had a closed alpha, well, not really alpha, just testing, where people were downloading it. And it wasn't like the project files, it was just the package game, obviously. Am I a teacher? No, I'm not a teacher. It's looking good so far. I'm gonna add some depth here and there, and well, once I get all the walls, I'll add like the interior walls and like the boxes and all that stuff that the player is gonna collide with. And after that, I don't know. This part kind of looks a little not family friendly. Alright, hold on. Let me grab a Red Bull, boys. now we gotta do the speed level design, boys. Let me save all just in case. Do I have a wet, hold on. Someone say Coca-Cola? Thought I said. Do I have a webcam? I have like a DSLR camera that I need to figure out how to hook up. How do you get the Megascans button in the editor? The plugin. It's a plugin. Did I work with Blender? Yeah. Blender all the way. I'm trying to limit myself to all of the free stuff, you know, that you can use. Free programs. I mean, Blender's not that. It's not bad at all. Blender is pretty good. Face reveal, maybe. Eventually, yeah. Skill reveal. Skill reveal. I'm gonna learn a bunch of programs. I'm not gonna tell you guys about it. Then out of nowhere, I'm just gonna like blow you guys' minds or something. I don't know. Oh, I don't know why I did that there. Can do this. There you go. Let me just undo all this. I don't care then. No. Can't undo any further. Notification. Skill reveal. We'll just do this. Just gotta work on this, or this, and this. Like so. this. Oh. Okay, where is that box brush? Right here. Quantum computers, dude. Dude, I wish I had like a crazy, I don't know, 390, or wait, no, not 390, what the hell am I talking about? 3090, whatever the hell that is. 390, dude. What the? There we go. Dude, one of these days I'm gonna get one of those like crazy PCs. The only thing I'm afraid about is like, I don't want to get like a super good PC and then I don't know. I need to like obviously have like a couple other test rigs I can test out packaged games, all that stuff. That way I don't forget about other you know, system specs. I don't be like, oh yeah, I'm getting like 60 FPS on my 3090. It's like, well, you know what I mean? It's like you want to make sure plays good on everything. What's earned money to buy? Do you not the RTX 2080 Ti yet? 3070 or 3080 instead. One of these days, boys. Oh yeah, hold on. Does this work? Oh. Scale. Copy and paste it. Figuring out to drag and drop the other day is tricky. Able to do it after some tries. Yeah. Drag and drop, all I remember from doing it was that it was a pain in the ass. And yeah, that was back when I was working on an inventory system. I didn't make it myself, I was following this tutorial, but that's really where I learned Blueprint, by the way. Inventory. If you want to learn Blueprint, make inventory system. Blueprint, of course. Yeah, I did Blueprint all the way. Well, except for when you need C++, which I don't know why I'm doing this like this. Need to go like this and like this. Uh-oh. Then alt. C++ hard. Probably. I mean, yeah, steep learning curve for a start. I don't know, I've like done programming before. Like, let's see here, JavaScript. I used to make Minecraft mods back in the day. What else did I do? Yeah, so I used to make Minecraft mods back in the day. Took a robotics class in high school, and I think they use, I don't even know what they use, can't remember. I think Java. Wait, no, JavaScript. I don't think JavaScript for Minecraft mods. I don't know what it is. I think it's Java. JavaScript for website, I think. I don't know. Did learn a little bit of that though, like web development. Like I was trying to learn how to do all that, so I took like, I don't know, a few courses on that. But I don't know, didn't really like, well, I mean, I wouldn't say that I didn't really like, I mean, I just didn't really have a passion, you know, for making websites, you know what I mean? So I'm like, don't really want to do this. I mean, like, I'll do it, to, like, if I need to make a website, but, you know, for a job, I don't think I'd want to do that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There you go. Python, yeah, it supports Python. Minecraft once as a kid, yeah. Dude, that was the best, dude. Oh, and another thing, is if you've hosted Minecraft servers too. Think about that. Like playing around with Minecraft mods and messing around with hosting servers, Minecraft servers. Did a lot of that. Unreal Tournament mods, yeah. Dude, back in the day, dude, rip. Let's take a second. Let's take a second, boys, to a moment of silence for Unreal Tournament. Modded servers, yeah, dude, that was the best. Dude, I'd play so many modded servers, dude. I played Tekkit, Hexit, Feed the Beast. Dude, I played all of the modded servers, and I'd make my own custom mod pack too, and I'd like, I don't know. Yeah, dude, but I played vanilla for a bunch, and then yeah, and then I started just doing mods. Should you learn Python first before C++? I don't know, it's up to you. Depends on what you need it for. But yeah, dude, hosting Minecraft servers also like got me like hyped to make games for some reason, I don't know. So because I wanted to always like have a server hosted. See, one time I was making up playing mods a couple years straight. Everyone just asked me to help mod their game. Yeah, dude, I was the Minecraft mod master, dude. Like, people would be like, "Oh, it's so hard to mod." It's like, dude, I'd be installing like every mod, dude. Yeah, exactly. You chose game development because of the limits of Minecraft modding. Yeah, that's pretty much where I got to a point where I was like literally just might as well make a game at that point, you know what I mean? Because like all that time and stuff working on the mod, and then like, well, can you sell? I don't think you. I don't know if you can sell. You can set up a donate like button or whatever.
Don't try this yourself. It's extremely dangerous.
But like, yeah. Oh, and another thing, boys. Yeah, making your game in Minecraft style. Another thing is using other people's. Actually, I'm gonna sound like a hypocrite right now because I'm literally using Among Us. But like, trying to make like a fan game. Well, and again, I'm sounding like a hypocrite, but like if you're gonna like just make a fan game just to make a fan game, which literally what I'm doing right now. Like just make like your own game to sell, you know what I mean? Which again, I literally look stupid saying this while I'm making this game, but I'm doing this more obviously for entertainment purposes. So if you were going to make a game, like a fan game, obviously do it for entertainment purposes. Well, obviously you can't do it for like commercial. But anyways, I don't know. But oh yeah, I don't know. But yeah, usually just come up with your, I don't know, own idea for a game instead of like using someone else's IP, and just sell it, you know, because then you don't have to be like, I don't know, trying to get a license or something, or not being able to sell your game.
So I said no, it was supposed to be my pentacle. Why did you do that to me? I killed no 1, 2, 3 for champions. I can't believe you're trolling. No, it was supposed to be my pentacle. Why did you do that to me? I killed no 1, 2, 3 for champions. I can't believe you're trolling.
Yeah, dude, once this game is in action, once we start working on the gameplay, it's gonna be so much fun. Oh god, it's on my mic. How many have you started development because of Minecraft? Me. Will this be out for online multiplayer? Of course, dude. Look at this. Play. Look at this. Imagine hacking in Beyond Silence day one, dude. Yeah, that's gonna happen. It's gonna be someone from like Russia. Not hacking, but like their ping. It's gonna be like 500 or something. And there's gonna be zooming across the map. They're gonna be the imposter and they're just gonna be zooming across the map. And then somehow I'm gonna forget to like take out like the, I don't know. I'm gonna like set it up so like you can, I don't know. I'm gonna do something wrong. I didn't start game dev straight because I didn't do stuff in MC. Let me see. Blueprint tutorial on how to do multiplayer. Cheat engine, speed kills. Yeah, I mean, I'm working on moved in real time. Yeah, I'm gonna be working on a multiplayer blueprint tutorial. So, whenever I get that done, I don't know. I think that's it. I think that's pretty much it. Delete this. PC specs, it's in the description. Internet speed. It's in quotations gigabit, but I think it's like, I don't know. Okay, so we're in a cafeteria, cafe, whatever you call it. Okay, so we can run around here. How long have we been streaming? 2 hours, 50 minutes. Okay, so this is going to be the weapons room. Kind of a little small, so might need to work on that a little bit. It's okay. Over here we have O2. Also a little small, but I mean, I guess it's fine. Then over here we have the bridge or navigation. Doing your wires over here, whatever, diverting the power. Then the front, navigation stuff. Over here, through the hallways. Down here we got shields. Are you gonna work on player next? What do you mean? Okay, and then we got communications. Storage. Gotta walk around the boxes. Yeah, level design still in progress. I need to add like all the boxes, all the walls and stuff that player is gonna collide with a little bit, just for like scale reference and all that stuff. But I mean, for the most part, it's all blocked out for now. So okay, and then in here we have electrical. This kind of feels weird right here, but I don't know. Smaller. I mean, yeah. Probably adjust it a little bit when we add meshes and stuff, but I mean, like the kill radius is gonna be, you know, pretty big, so I don't know. I think it's a pretty good scale. Then we have the, what's it called? Engine? Lower engine. Over here we have reactor and we have security. So the security camera has got the little vent right here. Will the game be available on Android? I don't know. We got reactor. The upper engine. Then the med bay. Cafeteria. Press the emergency button. Emergency meeting. Okay, what was I gonna do? Yeah, Real Among Us is free on Android, dude. Okay. What was I gonna do? Can't remember. Oh yeah, I was gonna do a little something, boy. I send you storage prompts. Alright. I'll do that in a sec here, dude. Alright, you ready, boys? Oh. I need to play rate, obviously. Be as long as 0.8 seconds. Send you storage prompts. There's a lot of geometry face not visible. Oh, what do you mean? Intersection geometry. It's just BSP right now, dude. So it doesn't really matter. Like, this crap right here. It's all BSP, so it don't really matter. Because I'll delete this all later. Force root. No. Okay. Storage props. Oh boy. Storage canister. Actually, yeah, that'll be fine. Um, 1050 Ti, good enough. Yeah. It's 1050 Ti is the 1050 Ti is like, I don't know. It's okay. But let's see here, I'm gonna scale these up. Why is it not letting me? Oh god, not Blender. 50, I think it's 50. Okay. Oh god, this is materials. Did I have my rotation wrong? Yeah, I don't know. Click texture and materials. Nativize your end products? No. My import rotation might be messed up. I don't know. I wonder if my import stuff is messed up. Did I even scale this? Oh wait, no, it was set to 50. Let me do this again. No, my rotation's fine. Yeah, you got the gas can. Yeah, so it needs to be rotated on the X negative, or just 90. Yeah, there we go. Import. Yeah, can I? I don't know. Import with new file. I don't want to import with new file. I just want to not want to, you know. I just won't create the materials with the. Okay. Storage can. Hold on. Container. What are these? They're FBX? Oh, OBJs? So you cannot create new materials. Yeah, I knew there's a way you could like re-import them with the menu or whatever. Actually, I wanted to add the materials for that one, so. Ooh, I think that's what I need to do. It's looking pretty good, dude. Can dispenser. I think this is the right one. Two browsers do it faster, yeah. That's what I used to have. I used to have 2 content browsers. Oh yeah, I used to have them docked at the top instead of down here. But now I just leave it down here, so yeah, I need to have 2 content browsers, honestly. But usually I just stick to one because I don't want to confuse the people watching my videos. Duplicate the cube matte for the red cube. Yeah. Looking good, boys. Let me see here. Where is the map? Okay, instance to change the texture. Can you add a parameter for the texture? Probably can. I love this song. Yeah. Definitely better practice. Less materials. Less materials. Yeah, bake it. Okay, progressing fast. Yeah. Everyone thank Rubber Ducky. Because he made these, so. It's called Energy by, I don't know. It's like I can't spell it, dude. Just type in something. When should a gamer be able to play online? Yeah, you can, storage in Discord, okay. I was trying to figure out, I was trying to look, but I was like totally zoning out. Hold on, let me just play from here. Yeah, these are good scale too. It's all good scale. Look at that, perfect. A shortcut. You can hold Alt and duplicate it. Turn on camera speed. Scaled up. I forgot to show you guys the reference image. Look at the man, the myth, the legend, right there. Dude, I'll make your own custom skin. It'll be a duck. Or maybe you'll make your own custom skin, I don't know. And I'll add it in. Gotta make a secret menu so I can open the key. Yeah. Yeah, I'll make a secret menu. It'll be like a little button in the corner that you hold down, and then you type in a passcode, and then you can, like, I don't know, $100 DLC for Rubber Duck. If Among Us was a 3D platformer. Looks pretty good, honestly. Obviously, I need to play a little bit with the scale. Probably. But, yeah. It feels like the player should be a bit larger, but I don't really want to scale the character. I want to scale everything else relative to the character. So, like, scale down the map, maybe. So many people in the Discord. I thought you meant like so many people were actually like in a Discord right now. Like in a channel. I would be like, what the heck? Maybe I'll put like this here or something. Even though we can't see this area. Something like that, I don't know. Cube's actually floating. Which one? One on top of the red cube. Dragged it down.